How to get MLG in Ability Wars. This is going to show you how to earn the MLG badge in Roblox's Ability Wars game. So at the home part here, what you're going to want to do is go over to the section that will say Internet. If you do have 16,000 punches, you'll be able to go ahead and purchase the Internet. And then you will be able to go to the glitch website, stream, get kills. Once you get over 1,000 viewers, then you will be able to earn the MLG badge. That's the full process, but first of all, to actually be able to get those 16,000, technically you can buy them, but if not, every kill will give you 100 viewers once you've started streaming. So click onto the internet, be able to get those points from the kills, then stream, then eventually once you get all of those viewers, 1,000 viewers, then you will be able to get the MLG ability. That's how it's done. Leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.